We built Trace to be simple and intuitive so the potential of the digital thread can be unlocked within your organization, capturing the data you need for your facility and users to have confidence in your workflows. It all starts with Trace's production dashboard, which is your go-to place to see exactly what's happening with all of your products. It gives you quick, clear snapshot of active projects, quality analytics, and an inventory of your critical factory management documentation. It's an easy way to quickly assess utilization and progress. But we know users need more, so Trace also gives you the ability to customize the tool to capture every detail you might need. So how does it work? Let's start with this part here. Trace can help you keep track of your part inventory at all stages of the maintenance and repair process. This part was marked with a custom and secure tag that ties directly back to the Trace software. The information embedded in this tag can help staff keep track of things like part numbers, the originating vehicle or assembly, the current location of the part, as well as its last service date and current status, so that you have instant visibility into your operations. This data is archived and can be quickly referenced both during and after the work has been performed. We've even taken care of reporting for you. With one click, the key data is summarized in a professional PDF that can be shared with your team. One last thing we'd like to address here is security. Our team has set up secured computer systems for the U.S. Department of Defense, and we have integrated those best practices into Trace. We'd welcome the chance to talk with you about your needs in tracking your maintenance operations and how a customized or off-the-shelf version of Trace could help.